We'll talk on over here. Search engine marketing, such as Google, right? Getting somehow ranked on first page of Google is very critical in reaching out to those who have intention, those who are problem aware already. So the main question I typically get is, hey, if I'm in pretty rural area, is search engine marketing still a good avenue to generate more prospects? And answer, of course, it depends. So let me give you a case study here. Again, I do not know who these funeral homes are, but let's say you're in Pahrump, pretty rural, right? It's Vegas is all the way here, Pahrump is all the way here, and if you're a funeral home out here in Pahrump, somebody type in Pahrump funeral homes, and there's only 2 funeral homes in Pahrump, and let's say if you're Lee Funeral Home, not by magic, it just by, right, there's only a few funeral homes, only 2 funeral homes in Pahrump, you are already ranked on Google already in local search and down here in organic. Then, right, you're already ranked. So whoever goes on Google, they're already, right, finding you already. Then leveraging agency to help you further get ranked on Google is kind of pointless, right? Right? For example, for Lee Funeral, if Lee Funeral Home come to us and say, hey, can you help me, right, out? Then most likely search will not be the vehicle because you're already ranked here and you're already ranked here. Maybe we can push you a little bit higher up here, but the effectiveness will be very, very, right? It's paying us to do it. Probably wouldn't be a huge return on investment. Same thing as other agencies are pitching them all the time. So then, if it were Lee Funeral Home, they're pretty rural. They're already ranked on first page of Google. They're already, right? Then doing Google Ads, does it make sense? Most likely not a whole lot as well of doing Google Ads. By doing Google Ads, you can further push somebody's listing down. But with Google Ads, if your competitors aren't doing Google Ads, then I would still not do it then, right? By placing ad up here, you can further maybe push some of these down, but again, the effectiveness wouldn't be that high. Unless your competitors start doing Google Ads, then it makes sense to start playing in there. But you're already getting ranked organically. These are free anyways. So if that's the case, then search probably, you're already there. So probably not a whole lot of effectiveness of hiring agency to further get you ranked or to do ad placement. Unless you're going pretty far away from you, then it might make sense. Let's say if you're out here in Pahrump, and most likely ranked in Pahrump, and let's say you want to start, right, serving pretty far away in Indian Springs or Hermosa Valley, then most likely you will not be ranked there. Then it makes sense to hire a agency to do ad placement out there, getting you ranked out there. But if you really serve very, very locally, then again, it just doesn't make sense. And social media is a very, very good way to push the messages out there, right? So if your main focus is to generate more ad needs, then search. If you really want to brand yourself, getting top of mind awareness, and then to generate pre-needs, that's where social media come into play. And then for that same scenario, if you're already ranked in Google, then it makes sense to do a little bit of branding, get a name out there, build a little bit of awareness, consideration. Then it might make sense. Then social media would be the better route. Okay.